Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Razorbeak from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the beak. Let's start with a small curve across. Then let's curve it down to a point. Then add 2 small diagonal lines inside for the nostrils. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw circles for the eyes. And then inside each one, let's add another circle. And then let's color both of these in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's add an angled line on top of each one. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. Then let's angle it down on both sides. Now let's hop up on top of the head and let's add the feathers. On the top in the center, let's draw a V shape up. Then let's draw a zigzag line down on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. From the sides, let's continue the line by waving it down and curve it down at the end. And let's do the same on the right. Next, across, let's add a curve for the necklace. And then let's add V-shaped spikes underneath. Next, let's hop down in the center and let's draw a curved V-shape. Now on the left side, let's curve it down with a wavy line up. And the same on the right. Now from both sides, let's draw another wavy line down and out. And then one more wavy line to close off each side. Next, let's move down and let's draw the vest. Underneath on the left side, let's draw 2 lines down. And 2 on the right. And now let's finish off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's move inside and let's add some spikes. Let's start with a curve near the top and then a point out. And let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw 2 more underneath in the same way. Then let's draw another one pointing downwards. And then 2 angled ones on the bottom of each side. And lastly, let's add 1 more on the outside with a V shape out. And that's it for the vest. Now let's hop to the sides and add the arms. Let's start on the sides under the shoulders and let's draw a small line down on both sides. Then let's add a curve up. Now let's hop out, let's leave a gap and let's draw another curve down. And then curve it back up into the vest. Now at the ends, let's add the hands holding the guns. Across the end, let's add a wavy line like this. Then let's leave a small gap, and in the middle, let's draw a teardrop shape for the first finger. Then next to it, let's draw a curve down and back up. And now let's draw 2 more fingers in the same way, getting smaller as we go down. That's it for the fingers. Now let's finish drawing the guns. From the bottom corner, let's bring it up and in to the pinky finger. Then let's hop to the other side and let's draw a curve. Then let's draw a long rectangle shape at the end. Now let's hop underneath, let's step down and let's draw a bent line. Then another one. And then a curve down to the fingers. And then add another curve inside. Lastly, let's add a flag coming out from the right side. Let's draw a skinny rectangle coming out from the end. And then a V-shaped point at the top. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back down and finish drawing the legs. Let's start underneath the vest and let's draw a curve down and in from both sides. Then another smaller curve. Then hop to the center and let's draw 2 more curves going out, leaving a gap. Now for the feet, let's draw lines down on both sides. Then 3 curves to close off each foot. And that's it for Razorbeak. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!